Hello, Mike here, founder of Magnus Box. And in today's Magnus Box Monday, I'm going to show you how to do a simulated test restore from either the web portal or the endpoint. So simulating a test restore pulls the data down to the endpoint but doesn't save it. This is efficient if you have a device that has limited amount of hard drive space, and it also lets you see what the results were if that data was able to be pulled back down from either an on-site external hard drive, on-site NAS, or the Magnus Box storage network. So I'm going to start with the web portal. As you can see here, I already have my user account pulled up. To run a test restore, I'm going to click on the Devices tab. And then I'm going to click on the online button next to the device that I want to test. So as you can see here, I have a Surface Pro. It is online. If it's offline, you can't interact with it. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click the Restore button. Choose the storage vault where the data that I want to test is located. As you can see here, I only have one storage vault, but you may have more than one. I'm going to select the protected item. So I have my device, and then I have my protected item here, and I have the latest data. Now, if you had more than one snapshot, which every job creates a snapshot, you would just click this refresh button, and it will let you test data from a different date. So I just have the one that I just created, so I'm just going to click next. Now I can choose to restore all items or select specific items that I'd like to test. So I could just drill down here, and let's say I wanted to test restoring this beta document. So I'm just going to choose that, hit next, and now I can restore as file and folders, simulate restore only, program input, or a compressed archive file. For this video, we're doing a simulated restore only, and then we will click on the restore button. And it will trigger that job to start pulling that data down through the network, but it won't save it to the endpoint. So you don't have to go in and delete a bunch of data after the fact. Makes it a lot easier on the hard drives as well. So you can do the exact same thing through the endpoint software. Once you open it, you're just going to click on the restore button, choose your vault, wait for it to load here so we can get our protected items. And as you can see here, I've got this one protected item. This is the latest snapshot, but I could search through here and do a little bit more if I wanted to. We're just going to say all items this time. And we're just going to follow the exact same path. So I have simulate restore only, and then hit the restore button. So it'll go ahead and do that from the endpoint as well. And then once it's done, we should see here that I have a restore log on the endpoint, and it says the restore was successful. It shows the data was, there was one file, and it shows the amount of data that was pulled down. So hopefully you found this tip helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, don't hesitate to reach out to us by emailing support@magnusbox.com. Thank you.